Hey guys, it's Mr. Wahid Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cold start for you. As you can see, my windscreen's frosted up, everything's frosted up. It's -4 at the moment, so it's not too cold, but it is very cold. Oh, it's middle of December at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to do a cold start on my MK6 Golf 1.4 TSI, 122 horsepower, CAXA engine, I think, CAXA. So let's go ahead, see what it sounds like. You have to have the foot on the brake. There it is, guys. Simple as that. This car does take a while to get to 90 degrees, quite a long while. But yeah, it's not that bad. And yeah, this car's been doing well for me. It's very good, very economical. It's definitely worth the money. Anyway guys, check out my next video. I'm going to be doing a normal start at 90 when it's already heated up to 90 degrees. You can tell if you can hear a difference or not. Anyways guys, goodbye. Subscribe if you're not.